Hey everyone, so I picked up a few more license plates from this brand Fine Model 164 scale license plates. Thought I'd just show them off. So these are the JDM ones, but I already have some other JDM license plates. I don't remember if it's this brand though. But let's see what the sticker says. It says Japanese Domestic Meta. I thought it was Market JDM, but anyways, it's 866 I guess might be the SKU number. Alright, there's actually only that many in there. There's a little card. I don't know why. Well, I guess it tells you what each license plate is. Oh, so this is interesting. These are specific. Oh, these are probably from Initial D, those cars. And then I don't know. Maybe those are police cars in Initial D. And then these are some randoms and temporaries. Okay, so not that many actual plates, but you do get two of each plate. So if you have a front and rear license plate, what's this green one? I can't read Japanese, so I don't know. All right, well they look nice and all. They're nicely painted on there. They're not three-dimensional though. They're just painted. They still look good. I mentioned that because I have seen three-dimensionally stamped license plates on models, but I haven't seen them for sale on the aftermarket. Okay, well this one here we have European license plate 20. 5202 is S. I don't know, maybe that's their part number. Let's see what's in this one. Alright, so yeah, the long rectangular ones. And I can't read that. Oh, you know what? This is a Chinese text. I don't think it's Japanese. I still can't read it. So Ireland, France, Germany, that makes sense, UK. Alright, so that's cool that you have those different countries. I have to put these on a Porsche. Okay, last one. What does this say? SAR, Special Administrative Region. And this one says Fanyu work instead of fine work, so not sure what the deal is there. And actually the packaging is a little different also. And it's the way the cardboard is cut. But it does say Fine Model on the front. And it opens totally different as well. And now this seems kind of silly that it's in this plastic when the other ones didn't need it. So alright, so it's got this little plastic film. What does this SAR mean? I don't know. It's all in Chinese. There's some sort of... I wonder if these are diplomatic plates? No, I don't think so. Those just look like regular Asian plates there. But I guess maybe some sort of Chinese special government plates. I mean, that does have a, kanji character. Oh wait, kanji I think is Japanese letters. I'm not sure what they're called in China. AMG, interesting. I gotta think of... Oh yeah, so nice letter sequences. So you can put those on models of those respective designations, which maybe I'll go into. Alright, so as far as putting these on to vehicles, if you've never done this sort of thing, let me do a little quick thing. So first peel off that plastic, and now you gotta get them out of here. So I like to rotate them out. You just gotta rotate them enough to break that, oh, there's plastic on the back side, so that's gonna get in the way. You know, this is almost like Shmee. Some of the plates here, they Scottish almost. It's MCL if you have a McLaren 720 maybe. Don't know, McLaren AC, I don't know what that. I'm trying to see if there's any logical sequences of other plates. Not really, I don't see much association. Alright, so I'm looking for a German plate. This DB one apparently, according to that little card it came with. So you just have to twist it like 2 times, maybe 3. And that fatigues the metal enough there. Then I like to use this poster putty. This is Potafix Pro, but I'm assuming any poster putty would work because these are not heavy. And then guess, I might have a problem on this one. Yeah, this one's not going to work because the license plate area is too narrow. So apparently this is going to become a Japanese plated car. So I'm just putting a little dab of poster putty on there, and then I like to spread it out with a toothpick. It's a little difficult because the model's so slick, but the reason why I'm spreading it out is when I squeeze the license plate on, if I have it spread out a little bit, it's just a little faster, a little more even distribution. If you push it down too hard, it'll actually come out the sides. So I guess just a random number here. Yeah, 2 twists. Very, very small, of course. The plate went under. So maybe some tweezers would be helpful. Bearing in mind you might scratch your model. I just want to get it to rest on that putty a little bit. There you go. Wooden toothpicks are good as well. These little Q-tip eyelash Q-tips. Alright, there it is. So I think yeah, a little bit of that gray is popping through, but I'm going to just use the toothpick to jam it under. If you have too much, you can actually take more putty and tap it, and it'll grab onto itself. Well, I'm not sure if you can see this, but see how it grabs itself? And eventually, hopefully it'll grab, you know, enough that it's not visible. Okay. Yeah, no, a little over there. Alright, see, so I think the bottom one I can just push back up to there. I think that's good enough for this video. Alright, so that's it. I don't actually have any other cars I want to put plates on right now, so this is it for today. But in general, the plates are nice. The business cards actually are kind of nice if you can read Chinese. At least the JDM one, they put some English there, and also the European ones. But yeah, you got a lot of variety in the plates, and if in particular with the JDM ones, you have those initial D cars, they might be worth picking up. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next review. Bye.